Mark here with ZenaTech, and today I'm joining you from West Palm Beach, Florida, and I'm here to talk with Jimmy Peden, the VP of Wallace Surveying, one of the many land surveying companies that have joined the ZenaTech family over the past year. Jimmy's got over 40 years of experience in the land surveying industry, and I'm very excited to talk to him all about his latest projects.
April comes around, ZenaTech comes on board, and here's this whole new technology that honestly got me very excited because the drones, the scanners, all that's state of the art. Coincidentally, here this happens in April, I get a phone call from an engineer that we've done a lot of work with doing many golf courses over the decades. He calls to say that he wants to do several golf courses. Are you interested? And I said, absolutely. The best news is actually we can do the whole thing now because we've just been acquired by a company that specializes in drones. And he's like, even better. That fast, we have 5 golf courses coming in at one time, and we're having to make this move quick.
In terms of restructuring golf courses and getting land surveys of them, how big is that market and how important is it that Wallace are moving in that direction?
First of all, there's so many golf courses in Florida. We have more than any other state. And many of the golf courses are honestly only good for so many years before they need redone because they've become too hardened, they don't drain properly. There's numerous ones being built as we speak. I mean, right there in Hope Sound, Michael Jordan just built his course off of Bridge Road. All of that was just farmland.
Has Michael reached out yet?
No, unfortunately, no.
Why do you think it's important to be ahead of the curve in terms of technology?
I think it's everything because it's the time, it's the accuracy, it's the next level to produce better drawings for the design teams, for the architects, the engineers. And I can't imagine what AI is going to bring next. It's going to be even more advanced.